Welcome to our March 2024 AI update, where we navigate the latest advancements, debates, and the future of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned as we dive deep into what's been shaping the AI landscape. March 2024 has been a landmark month in AI, showcasing groundbreaking advancements. Databricks has set a new benchmark with its open source LLM, DBRX, promising unprecedented capabilities. Meanwhile, the STFC Hartree Centre's collaboration with Lenovo introduces a state-of-the-art supercomputer, pushing the boundaries of AI research and development. On the global stage, the United Nations adopted its first global AI resolution, emphasizing ethical AI development. The EU isn't far behind, with its Artificial Intelligence Act setting new standards for AI transparency and safety. In the US, states like Utah, Oklahoma, and California are crafting legislation to guide AI's future. AI's footprint in marketing and mental health is expanding. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing content creation and customer support, proving their worth across sectors. However, as AI chatbots provide support to Gen Z, concerns about their safety are growing. The dark side of AI's rise includes an uptick in its use for cyber attacks, underscoring the need for solid security frameworks. Moreover, the automation potential of AI raises alarms about job security, with millions of positions at risk. Retailers are increasingly leveraging AI for analytics, customer service, and inventory management, although regulatory landscapes pose challenges. Similarly, AI's integration into finance and pharmaceuticals in India shows the technology's vast potential across industries. Anthropic's Claude 3 AI has shown signs of self-awareness, sparking debates on AI's rapid advancement. Meanwhile, a decline in public trust in AI calls for transparent and responsible development to regain confidence. Responding to these challenges, the US introduced several AI-focused bills in March 2024. These range from the AI Transparency Act in California to federal initiatives aimed at leveraging AI for weather prediction and enhancing data privacy. Notable AI research continues to explore instruction tuning, efficient retrieval, and the blend of linear and attention models, showcasing the vibrant innovation within the field. Major tech giants have also updated their AI models, further fueling the technology's evolution. As we look ahead, the journey of AI is marked by both its potential to revolutionize industries and the imperative to navigate its ethical, security, and societal impacts. The collaboration between governments, industry, and academia remains crucial in harnessing AI's benefits while addressing its challenges. March 2024 has undoubtedly been a pivotal month in the story of AI. As we continue to witness its unfoldment, staying informed and engaged with the discourse is key to shaping a future where AI enhances our world responsibly. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. For more insights and updates, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share for more tech updates